105.935. This is the unbalanced moment cause. Okay, let me just, so 105.935 into this value, this difference, into 0.54, and to balance this is positive. 120 minus 14.065 is positive 105, so you have to apply a opposite sign to this. So this will be minus 57.20. This I can write in pen because this is a calculation which we need. Okay, and then 105.935 into 0.46, this value into 0.46. Okay, so this will be minus 48.73. keep it up to 2 decimal places. In fact, even this you can keep up to 2 decimal places, there is no harm. Okay, I'll just write this here for your clarity. 105.935 into 0.54, you get this value, and minus 105.935 into 0.46, you get this value. Now this value you have to, what you have to do, you have to carry over. This is called balancing. What we have done is balancing. Now this we have to carry over to the adjacent joint. So since this A end is fixed, we can carry over here 50%. Carry over is always 50%. So I can write here 57.2 divided by 2. Okay, so 28.6. Since this is minus, this is going to be 28.60. Okay, this side you cannot carry over because this joint is already released, because it is simply supported and this is already released, and this is 50% here. Now there is no further balancing to be taken place because there is no unbalanced moment here. That we can verify by adding this. Okay, this is 0, 14.065 and minus, both negative signs, minus 48.73, minus 14.065 and minus 48.73. how much is that? 62.795 minus 62.795. this you can write 62.80 also, it's one and the same, and this will be 120 minus 57.2. okay, this is 62 positive 0.80. okay, so now 62.80, so this you can write minus 62.80. so both the values are equal and opposite in sign. Okay, this is called balancing. Had this been two different values, okay, this is approximately same. Okay, or we can say when we round up, it's if you actually maintain it up to 2 decimal places, it will be same. And finally 120 minus 120 and minus 28.60, this also you can write minus 148.60. so this is a hogging moment at A, hogging moment at B, and hogging moment at C is 0 because it is simply supported end. Now let us see how to draw BMD for the fixity condition with this hogging moment. Now this is anti-clockwise, this is clockwise, this is anti-clockwise, and this is 0. so this is trying to lift the span in upward direction, so it is hogging, it is trying to lift the span in this direction. This is also trying to lift the span in upward direction because this is this way and this is 0. okay, so that means bending moment for the fixity we can draw. Okay, this is 148.60, 62, let it be somewhere here, 62.80, and this is 0. just join them straight line, and since this is hogging, it is negative. This is BMD for fixity condition, for the fixed condition, Hugging moments. Okay, this completes step number 3. Okay.